Hello and welcome back, and in this video we're going to be talking about text auto-capitalization within TextField. So SwiftUI provides an inbuilt modifier called text input auto-capitalization to control text auto-capitalization within TextField. Now this modifier has 4 values to choose from. You have a character that defines the auto-capitalization behavior that will capitalize every letter. So it's basically character auto-capitalization. There's never that actually defines the auto-capitalization behavior that will not capitalize anything. Then you have sentences, which defines an auto-capitalization behavior that will capitalize the first letter in every sentence. You have words, which defines an auto-capitalization behavior that will capitalize the first letter of every word. Okay, so for our example, we will try some of those. Okay, so let's go ahead. Working with our previous example, I'm going to just take out this multi-line text alignment because we want to align all of them default value, which is leading, and then we're going to actually use this text input auto-capitalization modifier. Okay, now this modifier, like I said, it supports characters, basically to capitalize characters. So let me go ahead and start with words. So for the title, we're gonna say our words are gonna be auto-capitalized. Okay, I'm gonna copy this, paste it right here, change this to characters for category. Okay, and then for the type, we're gonna try a few things. So we have tried characters and words. Let's try. We don't have sentences, so we can try never. Okay, and those are going to be 3. Okay, that we're going to try. So let me go ahead and launch this, and we are going to try out. The first one is word based, so I'm going to say iOS development course in SwiftUI. So I'm actually typing just like regular, and when I did type iOS capital by holding the shift key, but because I want to make iOS capital, but like the first letter was auto capitalized. Now for the category, we're gonna see that everything is gonna be typed as characters, so every character is being capitalized. Okay, I'm not holding caps lock or pressing the shift key. Third one is never, so video course, there's no auto capitalization applied there, so everything is typed as I'm typing. Okay, so that's what your text input auto capitalization does. It basically controls how you're gonna have your what your auto capitalization behavior within your app is gonna be. Okay, so with that, we have reached the end of this video, and in the next video we're going to be talking about font modifier within TextField.